Well, how do you expect her to fetch if you don't know where it went?
Good job, baby.
I sent a picture of the sweatsuit with the little sweat outfit to Tiff. But what do you think? She was awesome. I said, good, because it belongs to Ryland. She was, really? I said, yes. But she wants me to make her a Mickey Mouse sweat outfit. So I told her a yard of fleece and a 10 or a 12-inch separating zipper. And she'll buy it and make it.
Good job. Good job. Ready?
Anyway, the other little hoodie that I have, just like with the same material, I'm going to give that one to Kedrick.
Fetch. Fetch.
She don't know where you went.
It's by Howie.
Howie's butt.
Howie's butt. It's my Papa's walker.
On the floor at the end of the rug. There you go.
Woo! Good fetch.
Tell your mom you're not a dog.
Oh! Good puppy. Oh, careful.